Hey guys, MartyBoots here. Today I want to show you why alt season is just about to start and this market is really just getting warmed up, and these altcoins are about to explode higher. I want to go through that with you today and show you exactly why I think alt season is very close to starting and has technically probably already started. So I want to show that with you. It's very important, guys. It's a very important video, so do not miss out, and watch it right at the end. I've got some important info at the very end also. Okay guys, yeah, so if you want to join us in our live trading room, you can take the three-day free trial in the link below. We've got a fantastic group of members in there, guys. You know, everybody's improving so much. You can just see it every day. Everybody's growing and improving and getting better, and just in good time too, because this market is about to get really hot. Anyway, okay, I'm going to start here, and no, I'm going to start here. Okay, this is the explanation one before I get into things. Okay, now without saying too much or without getting into too much detail, all I want you to focus on is the white moving average. Okay, I can even do this just so you all see this. I don't want any mishaps or whatever. I left one on, did I? Okay, that's all you need to know. Okay, without going into detail, how to catch lows, how to trade it, how to do anything else. Essentially, guys, every single time we break this moving average, okay, we go into a bit of a bull market. Now, people might not want to say that it's a bull market every time. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's only a retrace of this previous move, but it can be a serious, large, profitable move to make you a lot of money. Depending on how you trade that, you could make life-changing money. If it's on leverage, if it's not, if you have enough money in your bank account, it could just bump up your account. Like for example, look at this, guys. That's 1,000%. Okay, that's 1,000%. What is this? From there, I'm not saying you're going to catch the very high. There's 300%, 400% almost. What's this one? You know, there's 100%. Look. So this is the example chart that I want. I need you to get this into your head before I go through with the next charts. Okay, so understand that. Here is the crypto example. Okay, right here in this middle. Look, once we got above the white moving average, okay, this white moving average, price exploded. This is Keeper Network. This is just an example, guys. Just an example, because this chart is front running a lot of the other coins. Okay, 300% so far, guys, so far. This could go 1000x, 10x, sorry. This could go back up here, guys, and test way up here. There's no question. If this market does turn bullish, like I think it does, you know, this market, this can do this. That's no joke. So here's what I want to show you guys, and this is why this video could be the most important video you've seen in a long time. Okay, look at this. This is one chain. Okay, look at one chain. It's so close. It's so close, guys. Look at this. It's so close to breaking out. We break out above it. Look what happened on Keeper. Look what happened on Keeper. I'll just take you back one more time. Look at Keeper, we break it, off to the races. This is First Majestic Silver. We break it, we peter up, and then boom, off to the races. This one doesn't even look back. Powers higher. This one just powers higher. Guys, it's extremely important. Here is an old favorite of a lot of people, XLM. Look at XLM here. Okay, we're getting very close. We're not there yet, but we're very close. Okay. Here is gas, extremely close. It's about to go boom. XRP, guys, XRP. People wonder why XRP has not moved yet, but what they don't realize is that it is moving. It's putting in a bottoming pattern. We get above this, guys, and it's boom time. Okay, what's this? Bitcoin Diamond. Look at Bitcoin Diamond. Yep, it's a small shitcoin. I don't even know what's wrong with this chart. It's a crazy chart, but look at this. Look at this, guys. It's almost boom time. It's almost boom time, guys. Don't sleep on this. This is an important video. Look at this. What's this? Lune. Look how close Lune is. Like look at this chart. You're getting this chart on the all-time lows. Now, I'm not talking about any fundamentals or anything else. This is getting close. Lune is not there yet. Okay, it's not there yet, but it's close. Aeon is already above it, guys. What does that tell you? I don't think I need to answer that question. If you can't answer that question now, you shouldn't be watching this video. Okay, look at this. QTUM. Okay, and we're down here, and look at this. Guys, I'm not even talking about this chart. This is the 1-day chart. This is a 3-day chart. Okay, look at this. We're almost breaking out. We're almost breaking out, guys. I think people are sleeping on this, you know. I think a lot of people are sleeping. Here is I don't know, I've got a lot of stuff on this chart, guys. You can see ICX. Okay, anyway, ICX is already broke out. Don't sleep on it. Look what happened today. Look what happened today, guys. Steam, 20% bounce today. Boom. Look what it's breaking. Look what it's breaking, this white moving average. Now here's another one. WePower. Guys, this market is locked and loaded. This is not a time to be sleeping on crypto. This is a time to be, well, loading up, preparing, loading up. I'm not, this is not financial advice, of course. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. I've sent more money to my account, and I am locked and loaded. Look at this. Guys, if you want help trading these, just take the 3-day free trial, see what we're all about. We actually offer members, we have $500,000 worth of trading courses that we provide our members with. We value our education, and we're trying to create a group of super traders, and you know, the better we become, the more money we all make. So we try and get everybody educated and show people how we trade. This is Nav here. Nav's getting very close, and you know, in the group, guys, we have education channels, we have education videos, education sections, we show you how to trade. We also have 40 VIP crypto alert groups that we share with our members, and you know, you can see how other professional traders trade and everything, and it just helps you understand the markets and grow and improve as a trader. Guys, look at this. Lisk is absolutely beautiful, and it's up 6% today, guys. This is about to explode. This is about to explode. Do not sleep on Lisk. If you're looking for entries, guys, hit us up on the 3-day free trial. We can help you out with this. Ren, I mean, I look at my previous posts down here. I said Ren is going to be the biggest trade of the year, and I mean, you only have to look at it. Here's an older chart that I made. Look at this. This is targets. It's a long-term targets, guys, but that's what the target is. But you can see it's moving. And again, what's happening here when we're breaking this moving average here, the white moving average? Boom. Okay, I'm nearly done here, guys. Here's waves. This is waves here, and you can see here it's boom time. It's about to go. It's already up 8% today. We alerted this in our group yesterday. We also alerted LRC. I'll just move this over here. We alerted LRC, and it's up 15% today. We alerted this yesterday in our group, and it's just went boom. Now, where was it? Rain, waves. There's two more charts I think here, guys. You can see here, Storgy. It's getting close. It's getting close. It's not there just yet, but it's very close. It's getting there. NAV. I actually bought some NAV myself. It's nice to see it's up 3%. Damn, it was up a lot more. I've not even looked at it today, but I do own some NAV. Damn, there was a 10% bounce today, and I didn't see that. Anyway, okay, it's good to see it. That's a good sign for the future, guys. I'm bullish on it. I'm quite confident that this is about to go boom soon, if I have patience. Here is another one. We had alerts out on this last week, and as you can see, I mean, it's still it's doing its magic, but you can see this. Look, guys, this is about to go boom. Anyway, guys, that's it. This is potentially life-changing times, and that's not even any word of a joke. We've saying this for a long time, but people don't understand how to read the charts. People have been buying crypto up here and long term, buying and holding long term up here, averaging down, but they don't understand how to read the charts, guys. They don't understand. This is potentially a time when you can averaging in for a longer term trade. If this plays out, you know, this could be anywhere between 3 and 8 months hold, and these coins can really move. So anyway, guys, that's it. If you enjoyed the video, hit us up in the description below and take the 3-day free trial. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.